about a cool Lego house. Well, what is really cool, I'll show you the box. So, see how we swing some water? We have a fire truck too. So we have that. So you see how this roof can come off a fire and slide off. And I'll show you what can really do that. This can go like that. And can you see? It's a light. I didn't know how to make the light, but Daddy did know how to make the light. So, what we did was to make it, and we put stuff on it till it's good. So I don't want to lose all my pieces, because it's so good. So, I put it together like Daddy. So I put it together like that. Like that. And then I put these things on to make kerosene like this. And I put it on like, usually like that, but then going to come down like something else. Well, the cool Lego sets, what I do with these Lego sets. Well, if you want to have a Lego set like this, just spray it. My grandma got this for me. So, I really have some cool Lego sets that I want to do. So, my mommy and daddy made this house for me to play. That we were making this house for not many days. So, we also have another Lego set of which house we want. So that's how it goes like. And then it's for me, and it has opened up there but no treasure chest. Then it has a roof. Can you see how it has no wall there? And this can open up right here? Did you know that? No, they didn't. So, can you see how that opens up like that? So that can go like that too. And I also have this foot. And if I have a already, this car goes like that, spins around a lot. So the instructions told us to do something when it says to. So we did it correctly and everyone. So that's how it goes like.